How to apply a Temu coupon by Step Beginner. Want to save instant money on Temu, but not sure how to apply a coupon correctly? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply a Temu coupon step by step so you never miss a discount. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple shopping and app tutorials. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to apply a Temu coupon safely using the official Temu app or website without any risky tricks or violations. Step 1. Open the Temu app or go to the official Temu website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in because coupons won't apply if you're browsing as a guest. Step 2. Browse Temu and add the products you want to buy to your cart. Some coupons require a minimum order value, so always check that your cart meets the requirement. Step 3. Once your items are added, tap on the cart icon and proceed to checkout. Step 4. On the checkout screen, look for the section that says Coupons, Promo Code, or Apply Coupon. Tap on it. Step 5. If you already have a coupon in your account, simply select it from the available list. If you have a coupon code, paste it carefully into the promo code box and tap Apply. Step 6. After applying, check your order summary. If the coupon is valid, you'll see the discount deducted from the total price. If the coupon doesn't apply, don't worry. This usually happens because the coupon is expired, limited to new users, restricted to certain products, or your order value doesn't meet the minimum amount. Pro tip: before checkout, always visit the Coupons and Credits section in the Temu app. Activating coupons there first increases the chances that they apply smoothly at checkout. And that's it. Now you know how to apply a Temu coupon correctly and save money on every order. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more easy Temu and app tutorials, and comment below if you want a video on how to get Temu free shipping or Temu referral rewards next.